So the first bit is just a little bit of a revisit to DCSE. You remember to go from A to B, you normally have to go backwards along the vector A and then along the vector B. So you've got the vector A here, you've got the vector B here. So AB is going to be minus the 4i plus the 7j plus 10i plus qj. Just say give it in terms of i's and j's. That's probably not quite good enough. You just need to collect it together. Minus 4i plus 10j is, sorry, minus 4i plus 10i is 6i. Minus 7j plus qj. Put the positive bit first. Q, don't need to underline that. Q minus 7j. That's that bit done. So 1 mark for knowing that you needed to add them together. 1 mark for actually adding them together. Okay, next bit of the question. This is the notation for finding the magnitude of a vector. Magnitude basically means how big, a bit like when you talk about displacement, exactly the same. Displacement and distance, this is the size of it. So if you think about this vector, there is 6 units going across, and then whatever this is, I don't know if this will be up or down, depends on the i's and the j's. Sorry, it depends on the value of q. Q minus 7 is how many you're going up or down. The magnitude means we want to find that distance there. So from A to B, I want to find that distance there. Right angle triangle, despite my wonky drawing, means I'm just using Pythagoras to find it. And we're told that that is equal to 2 root 13. So using our brain, 2 root 13 is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse squared must equal one of the shorter sides squared plus the other short side squared. I shouldn't have any problems multiplying that out, so this would give us 52, 36, and here would get q squared minus 14q plus 49. Make that equal to 0, q squared minus 14q plus 33 equals 0. That one does factorise. Minus 11 minus 3. So q equals 11 or q equals 3. Just tell you, look, there's 2 possible values. So that's giving you a massive clue that there's going to be a quadratic in there somewhere. One method mark there. Method mark for making your quadratic equal to 0. Some way of solving it down here using your quadratic formula or factorising whatever you did, and then 1 mark for each of your answers. That's terrible. Anyway,